Hi, this is Luke at Luke Pool Service in Alpharetta, Georgia. You can find us on the World Wide Web at www.lukepools.com. I wanted to show you how to operate a AquaCal or any autopilot or AquaCal heat pump. So what you do right here, it says that the water temperature is 64 degrees. You want to turn up the water temperature, you hit the button right here and it turns it up. First you gotta turn it on though. It says off right now, and then we come up here to heat. So now it's gonna turn on here in just a second. There we go, the heat pump has turned on. It is in cool mode. You can see that right there. And wanted to show you in about 5 to 10 minutes we're going to hear a click and it's going to turn on. But we're not going to wait for that. But to turn the temperature up, you hit the up button right here. And we got it set on 80 degrees, 81, 82, 83. So you can set the temperature whatever you want the water to do. And this heat pump over time is going to heat up the water. For more information, you can call us 770-414-8000 or on the World Wide Web at www.lukepools.com. Have a great day.